This beautiful Madison County Oval table set offers a mix of rustic and natural styling to create a stately yet rustic farmhouse appeal. This collection is crafted from solid reclaimed pine with tasteful distressing that seamlessly blends trendy sophistication with down-home comfort. The dining table seats up to 6 comfortably, with a length of 66 inches when the 18-inch leaf is installed, and 48 inches round with the leaf removed. The chairs are a ladder-back style with contoured seating for additional comfort. This collection is in a vintage white with the dark stained tabletop. The table measures 66 inches in length with leaf in, and 48 inches round with its 18-inch leaf removed. The tabletop is 48 inches deep with a height of 30 inches. The dining chair measures 40 inches high with a width of 19 inches and a seat depth of 23 inches. Come in and see it today, and you'll see just how special this collection is and why it remains a top seller.